Is apathy a symptom of depression? Depression and apathy, how they are different yet connected. Depression is a feeling that someone can have in which makes them feel very negative in all kinds of ways. It is a form of severe dejection and despondency. Apathy is a feeling that someone can have which is very negative, as well as it is more so focused on how that person does not have any interest at all in life, or doing activities, or even interacting with others. Both are related with each other and are known to go hand in hand. But they are drastically different, even though both can highly affect not just your life, but those around you, such as friendships, family connections, personal relationships, and even one's job. There are at least 15 well-known conditions in which apathy can be linked to, and these are a stroke, an intracerebral hemorrhage, bipolar disorder, borderline personality disorder, sleep disorders, and a mini stroke. Also, there is what is known as acute mountain sickness, hypercalcemia, post-traumatic stress disorder, postpartum depression, schizoid personality disorder, encephalitis, opioids and other related disorders, as well as Tay-Sachs disease and meningeal tuberculosis. When it comes to depression and apathy, the two are linked but not closely related. With that being said, depression is the seventh least likely condition in which apathy can be a symptom of. There are some before it in which apathy appears more and some behind it in which apathy appears less. Other symptoms you may experience with dealing with depression are irritability, anger, crying all the time, trouble with sleeping and eating, having anxiety attacks, feeling like you're worthless, feelings of paranoia or franticness, and more. Postpartum depression is most common in women, or new mothers. In fact, it affects at least 13% of new mothers every day, and it usually happens about 2 to 3 days after you have given birth to the baby. A higher percentage of new mothers at least experience a heightened sense of fear, sadness, anxiousness, more overwhelmed, and more sensitive. For these women, it is anywhere from 70 to 80% of new mothers who experience this. There are so many forms of depression that not everyone knows about all of them, so you may have the start depression and do not know it. Some types of depression are different, and others which lead to different circumstances. These are postpartum depression, psychotic depression, and seasonal affective depression. The other kinds of depression are the main kinds of depression, in which are the kinds that everyone hears about, and these are persistent depressive disorder and major depression. Some cases only happen once in a person's lifetime, while other cases happen off and on throughout life. There are even some cases of depression in which can last a minimum of 2 years because it just keeps getting worse and worse, and they will just have more and more episodes, which makes the symptoms worse each time and last longer each time.